Well, here's another one of our certified Corvettes. This is 1998 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with just 18,000 miles. This is a beautiful car, Nassau Blue on the exterior, light gray interior, and under the hood 350 horsepower LS1 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. Factory features include memory package, dual zone electronic climate control, dual power seats, fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control. And it comes in that highly desirable Nassau Blue color. We don't often see those here, and it has the equally desirable 6-speed manual transmission. And as we said, this car shows just 18,299 miles. It is in very nice condition. The car's paint is very good, it has a stunning shine, and as you can see the interior, this Corvette shows very good factory leather seats, center console, door panel, steering wheel. Additions to this car include a cold air intake, blue valve stem caps, black floor mats with the C5 embroidery, and it has window tint. The car has been fully serviced and all instrument gauges, lights, turn signals, brakes, engine, transmission, and rear end are all in good operating condition. Remember, our Corvettes are all hand-picked here at buyavette.net, so give us a call today at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Check out more detailed photos and the pricing on this car right down in a link right down below this video. So we hope to hear from you really soon. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship nationwide, less expensive than you can imagine, and you can buy online with ease and with confidence. We sell Corvettes online every day. So we hope to hear from you really soon. buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.